Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. All right, let's begin. First, sign in to your Shopify dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to the Add Apps feature. Then select the App Store embed from the bottom. If you don't already have the Facebook and Instagram sales channel installed, search for it using the above search bar. Next, open the Facebook and Instagram sales channel and install it. Once installed, click on the Get Started button and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to connect your Facebook account and business with the app. Now, choose your preferred data sharing level. You can select Standard, Enhanced, or Maximum. For the most complete event tracking and better ad optimization, Maximum is usually the recommended option. After that, go to the Select Pixel section and choose the meta pixel you want to connect. If you don't have one yet, click the option to create a new pixel, then sign into your Meta business account and follow the prompts. Once your pixel is selected, save your changes. Shopify will automatically install the pixel across your store, allowing it to track events such as page views, add to cart actions, checkouts, and purchases. So that's basically how you can connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks!